Select a video file from the gallery. In the Video tab, select S&Q. Choose one of 6 presets to start editing. Select the leftmost linear preset to change the speed of the entire video. Select any other custom preset to adjust speed by section. Select the part you want to slow down or speed up, then move it up, down, left, or right to adjust the speed easily. When you are finished editing, save the video. Select the maximum export frame rate, then select Save. Use S&Q editing to create impactful videos with dynamic changes in pace.